I've noticed how vinyl records teach you how to slow down. You have to sit with it and hear the songs from start to finish. Organizing your life works the same way. When you take the time to set up systems and routines, it can help slow you down and live intentionally.
Everything's gonna be alright. I see that you've been crying. You know I'm always on your side. Oh, oh. Come on and put down all the weight from the dead. Yeah.
When I started to incorporate organizational tools into my life, I realized that organizing my life wasn't about doing more. It was about doing less, but doing it better. You see all these notebooks? Most of them are planners. But planners aren't the only thing you can use. There are plenty of systems to choose from, which is why you'll need to figure out what planning system works best for you. So this brings us to step number 1, creating a system. Other than a planner, you can use digital tools or even a simple checklist. The goal isn't perfection, it's creating clarity. To break it down for you, I would recommend physical planners or sticky notes if you enjoy the tangibility of using a paper and pen. But if you prefer quickly typing out tasks, use your phone or iPad to make lists, or utilize the calendar app to track your important dates. For those who want both the satisfaction of handwriting tasks and the convenience of digital tools, then digital planners and apps offer that perfect balance. And if you're a visual person, like me, whiteboards are a great option, especially if you're one to let your paper planner collect dust after one use. After you've chosen your system, you'll want to start with a brain dump. It's essentially what it sounds like, dumping your brain onto either a piece of paper, a device, or a whiteboard. In order to organize your life, you've got to start by decluttering the chaos in your mind. You may not realize how much is in that brain of yours, but once you get it all out in front of you, you'll be surprised by what you see. Without organization, your life can feel like 100 tabs open at once. But when you have a system, you're closing those tabs one by one. The process is simple. Begin by writing down everything on your mind: tasks, appointments, goals, anything you can think of that's related to a specific area in your life. Once they're all written down, those tasks will be organized into a to-do list or planner later on. Next, you'll want to prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Use a prioritization method like the Eisenhower matrix or color coding to separate what's urgent from what can wait. After you've done that, you can plan weekly and adjust daily. At the start of each week, plan out your big goals and commitments. Each day, review and adjust your plan based on what's realistic. Flexibility is key because we all know not everything goes according to plan. And if you really want to get fancy, try time blocking. Time blocking is when you dedicate chunks of time to specific tasks like work, hobbies, or errands, and stick to it. This helps you stay focused and avoid multitasking. Using visual cues like sticky notes, colorful markers, or highlighters can help you quickly grasp what's important. These can be used for adding deadlines, reminders, or motivational quotes to keep you on track. You don't have to pick just one tool. I personally like to use a digital planner along with a whiteboard. I use my digital planner for detailed task tracking, while I use the whiteboard for big picture tasks and reminders because it's visible at all times in my home. For example, I'll plan my day the night before, and in the morning I'll go and write that to-do list on the whiteboard so that I'm reminded of what I need to do. As someone who is navigating ways to live life with inattentive ADHD, I find that this layered approach ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. So for those who have ADHD, hopefully this system combination helps you as well. Life isn't just about work and responsibilities all the time. Your hobbies, routines, goals, and even how you keep your space clean are all areas of your life that can be structured. But when these miscellaneous parts of your life feel unorganized, it can become an invisible stressor that goes unnoticed. Coming from someone who's an avid hobby hoarder, I would recommend organizing your hobbies because it'll help you avoid unfinished projects. And those projects will probably end up in a hobby graveyard somewhere. So do yourself a favor and schedule in some time for your hobbies and treat it like an appointment with yourself, because it is. Another miscellaneous area I like to keep organized is the routines that I have going on currently. I have these pages in my planner dedicated to the specific areas in my life to help remind myself what I should do each day of the week. All of these miscellaneous areas in your life are interconnected. When you organize one, the others naturally fall into place. So focus on one area and build from there. When you organize your life efficiently, you're not just managing tasks. You're creating space. Space to think, to grow, to enjoy the things that truly matter. So take that first step, whether it's getting a planner, downloading an app, or grabbing a whiteboard. Pick your tool and commit to using it. Start small, organize just one area of your life, and watch how everything else falls into place.